Hi, I'm Charlotte and I'm running to be your Disabled Students Officer this year. So my three main points are deaf awareness, accessibility and support. So for deaf awareness, I'd like to introduce mandatory deaf awareness training to all academic staff and make sure that any video content used in lectures, seminars or on any form of social media from the university has captions, which doesn't just benefit anyone who's deaf or hard of hearing, but also anyone who finds it difficult to access spoken English. For accessibility, I'd like to continue the work of the previous Disabled Students Officer in making sure that all the buildings on campus are completely accessible, and also introducing some accessible study spaces for anyone who isn't able-bodied, as well as introducing image descriptions and enforcing those across any form of university social media and RUSU to make sure that anyone who's blind or partially sighted can access images. And finally, for support, I'd like to be a point of contact for any disabled student who feels they need someone to back them up in terms of getting that access that they critically need. Thank you, and make sure you vote on the 11th and 13th of March.